You know me and the watermelons. We go way back.
We're not doing margarita. There's no tequila.
No. Guess what we're making?
I just figured out what you're doing.
You know what we're making?
Tell them.
We're making watermelon Aperol Spritzes. So, because I love this little guy so much, do you want to fill him up? We're going to fill him up with some Prosecco. Here, take his little hat off. We're going to fill him up.
Take your little hat off.
We're going to fill him up with a bottle of Prosecco.
Yes.
Yeah, right? So fun.
Yes.
And so in a blender, I blended up a cup of...
You know what Prosecco is, guys? Affordable champagne.
Yes, it is. So in the blender, I blended up about a cup of the watermelon that I scooped out, and about a cup of Aperol, and then I just blended it up, and then it fills one of these square ice cube trays, just about to make, I think this is...
That's a lot of higher math, Jeanette. Let's just say, here's what they look like.
Here's what they look like. So then there's some wine glasses over there. Let's fill some with the ice cubes.
I'll put the cubes in.
Yeah. And
watermelon cubes!
I know. This keg is just, it was a very, very fun little guy. And then we can tap our keg with the Prosecco.
Better tap a keg.
Right? Really fun, really nice. It's like a different twist on the Aperol Spritz because as it melts, that Aperol flavor is really going to get in there.
So you blended, I'm just trying to be clear.
Yes.
You blended Aperol, which is a bitter liqueur. It's like Campari, but like the lady Campari, a little more lady-like Campari.
Yes.
So you took some of the bitter liqueur with the puree that you strained. Did you strain or not?
I didn't strain it. No, I just for the ice cubes, I didn't strain it. No.
So threw the puree with the Aperol into the doodad, and then you just top it with the Prosecco.
Top it with a little bit of Prosecco.
Yeah, the only thing is, it's a little slow.
It is a tad bit slow. But again, we're just sipping cocktails. We're being patient. Here you go.
It's cute, but
cute.
you know, it is slow. And as people drink these, you know they're going to be over at the watermelon going...
If you give it a little tip, it comes out a little bit faster. So it's like that.
Yeah. Here's the tip.
Here's the tip.
Right. Fill that sucker all the way up to the top.
All the way to the top.
Yeah.
And there we go.
Well, my darlings,
cheers.
Thank you. You all did a great job.
Cheers.
And the grilled cheese is done too. Cheers.
Cheers.